I was very encouraged because in my meetings with Justice Andy yesterday, sabi niya, this has to be, we have to make it nothing less than a turning point in the conduct of governance in the Philippines. We have to make a change. It is a fundamental change in the way that we do business. There also have been questions as to why the scope of the investigation is over 10 years, or the last 10 years rather. The answer is twofold. The practical answer is this: COA is only required to keep records for 10 years. So those are the records that we know we have, na nakakasiguro tayo na matutulungan yun. Pangalawa doon, kaya't I will do it for as long as possible dahil marami na tayong napag-usapan at isa sa napakahalaga para sa akin, malaman paano tayo napunta sa ganito. Ba't nagkaganito yung gobyerno natin? Paano nangyari ito yung ganito yung naging bidding? Paano nangyari na ganito ang naging pagbigay ng kontrata? How did this evolve? Dahil sa experience ko sa local governments, experience ko sa legislature, hindi naman ganito. Ngayon lang we have to find out how this happened and what are the changes that we need to make so that we make this into an inflection point in terms of how government does its business, and to make sure that the funds that belong to the people are well spent and properly spent to the advantage of all of us, to advantage of the economy, to advantage of those who are in danger areas. So that is uh, uh, that is that is uh, why the 10-year period. Those are the two reasons, basically, why the 10-year period was specified.